Hi, this is Steph and welcome to my channel. In this channel, we talked about personal finance, productivity, and adulting in general. So if interested ka sa mga topics na to, please subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, like this video, and share this to your friends. In this video guys, gusto kong i-discuss yung step-by-step process on how you can apply for a housing loan through banks if, for example, kumuha ka ng bahay from a developer. So it's developer-assisted housing loan sa banks. So if plano mong kumuha ng condo or bahay through a developer tapos hindi mo alam kung paano magsimula, I will guide you on the step-by-step process to apply for the housing loan, assuming na developer-assisted siya. Step number 1 is magpa-reserve ka ng unit sa developer. So pumili ka ng unit na gusto mo and then usually magbabayad ka talaga ng reservation fee. So siguro magre-range siya sa maybe 10,000, 15,000. So mga ganong amounts for the reservation. Usually yung reservation is non-refundable siguro siya. So magbayad ka ng reservation fee and then magsasign ka din ng reservation agreement. And then, merong list of requirements ang mga developer. So, para siyang pre-qualification. So, magsasubmit na ng mga income documents, marriage certificate, mga common document na nire-require if you apply for a loan. So, parang i-pre-qualify ka nila. I-submit mo siya, tapos basahin mo yung terms ng pinirmahan mong agreement. So once you've submitted the requirements, pwede ka nang mag-start magbayad ng equity. So usually ang equity is nasa 2 to 5 years siya. Yung sa amin guys is 3 years. So 36 months. Tapos yung equity niya is 15% of the total contract price. So pwedeng usually sa equity or down payment, similar lang naman siya. Equity and down payment, synonymous siya. So, naka-installment siya, usually pag pre-selling pang unit. So, pwede mo siyang bayaran in installment without interest. So, naka-spread out yung payment mo sa down payment. Step number 2 is you comply with the bank's housing loan requirements. So sa personal experience namin guys, nag-finance kami ng housing loan through BPI. So based on personal experience, ito yung mga requirements and processes or steps na nagawa namin. So pag malapit nang matapos yung payment ng equity, so for example, 6 months before matapos yung payment ng equity, yung in-house coordinator ng developer will reach out to you through email or call na sasabihin nila kung ano ba yung options mo for the financing. So pwede siya sa bank, pwede din siya sa Pagibig. So in our case, we chose BPI or yung bank. So i-assist ka ng in-house coordinator. So bibigyan ka nila ng list of requirements for you to comply. So ito yung mga requirements na dapat mong ihanda once you apply for a housing loan sa bank. So number 1 is yung proof of identity, yung ID. So usually 2 IDs. So if meron kang co-borrower or yung spouse mo kasali siya, so prepare niyo lang yung IDs niyong dalawa. So at least 2 valid IDs. And another one is yung proof of income. So commonly, ito yung mga certificate of employment or yung COE, yung pay slips, yung ITR. If business naman, yung mga DTI, business permit. So things like that will show with the proof of your income. If married naman kayo, provide the marriage certificate. Tapos meron kayong if-fill out na BPI housing loan form or kahit anong banks, meron silang housing loan form. So, you just need to fill that out. And then sa developer side, meron din silang requirements na dapat nilang i-fulfill. So, ang isa na dyan is yung contract to sell, yung certificate na complete na yung payment ng borrower, and all other things, siguro yung building permit ba or mga ganon. So, si developer na ang bahala doon. So, sila na magkukomply. Sa proof of income din pala guys, if freelancer ka naman or yung mga self-employed, part sa proof of income is yung bank statement. So, prepare your bank statement at least 6 to 12 months para it will show na meron talagang cash inflow sa bank account mo. Step number 3 is yung appraisal and approval. So with our experience sa BPI guys, so they will allow a maximum of 90% sa total contract price ng unit mo as the loanable amount. So, sa Pagibig kasi, it's different. So, possible sa Pagibig na less than yung makukuha mong loanable amount. But with BPI specifically, I'm not sure with other banks, pero with BPI, na-cover niya yung 90% ng total contract price. So, mas maganda siya. Mas malaki yung pwede mong ma-loan. Once na-submit mo na yung mga requirements na na-mention ko kanina, BPI will conduct an investigation. So, tatawag sila. Sa experience ko, tumawag sila sa akin. Tapos, parang verify nila yung employment. Ano kasi kami, freelancer or working online. So, verify nila yung employment namin. Gano'n na kami katagal nag-work online. Tapos, nag-email sila sa clients namin or yung mga employers namin. So, chinek din yung mga bank statement, if saan pumapasok yung salary. So, ganun, magkakonduct sila ng parang investigation or verification. After ng credit investigation or parang CI nila, you will receive a text message na para siyang system-generated. So, in our case, parang pumasa kami sa initial na evaluation. So, naka-receive kami ng BPI text message. And then, parang nag-wait lang sila na mag-confirm yung employer namin as to parang verification nila kasi nag-email sila doon. So, after na nag-confirm yung employer namin or yung client namin sa work, naka-receive na din kami ng parang final na notice na. So, notice of approval from the bank. So, nag-email sila na approve na yung loan. So, pumasa na kami. So, sa notice of approval, guys, doon makikita yung mga loan terms, ano yung breakdown ng monthly amortization, yung insurance, yung mga fire insurance, everything, pati yung interest na na-avail mo. So, sa case namin, may nakuha kaming promo. So, parang 777 yata yun na promo. Tapos, discounted din yung bank fees. 7 years, 7% interest, fixed. Tapos, yung bank fees, discounted siya ng parang 20,000 yata. So, from 65, naging 40 plus something yung bank fees namin. So, yun yung na-avail namin na promo. Lahat ng yun is included sa notice of approval in which kailangan niyo siyang i-confirm. So, kailangan niyo mag-reply doon sa email from the bank that you confirm of the loan terms. And then step number 4 is the signing of the loan documents. So, after niyong i-confirm yung notice of approval, the bank will then prepare your loan documents. So, based sa loanable amount na napagkasunduan nyo, or you requested, so iprepare na ng bank yung loan documents. Tapos, pupunta kayo sa branch itself para magpirmahan kayo doon ng mga paperwork. So, ang dami talagang paperwork, guys. So, parang, ewan ko ba, basta ang dami namin pinirmahan doon sa BPI. Kasali na doon yung mga insurance, mga things like that. So, ang dami-dami. So, signing of the loan documents. And during the signing, i-discuss naman siya ng loan officer yung mga terms. Basta i-discuss niya yung ano yung pinirmahan yung mga dokumento. So, doon din yung time na pwede kayong magtanong for any questions, verifications, clarifications about the loan. So, ako nagtanong talaga ako para sure ako sa anong pwede, ang mga possible scenarios, if pwede bang mag-advance payment, mga things like that. So, pwede niyo siyang itanong sa bank habang nandun kayo personally. And if okay na yung lahat, so meron din kayong form na i-fill out kung saan pwede i-auto-deduct yung bank fees. So, you need to pay for the bank fees. I-fill out nyo lang yung form, ilagay nyo yung account number, BPI specifically na account number, tapos i-deduct nila yung bank fees. So sa experience namin, after 1 day, nag-deduct na sila ng bank fees. So after that one, the bank will issue a loan guarantee or letter of guarantee sa developer mismo. So parang ito na yung magsisignify na yung part ng borrower naka-comply na sila. So it's about time na si developer naman yung mag-comply sa mga requirements. Another requirement pala nila, guys, is dapat at least 80% of the housing unit is completed. So parang livable na yung housing unit, parang minimal na lang or little na lang yung kulang. So 80% completion yung housing unit. So that's the requirement of the bank. And lastly, guys, step number 5 is yung loan release. So after ma-sign yung mga documents, nakakomply na kayo sa mga requirements, at yung bahay is at least 80% completed na, tapos nakakomply na din si developer sa mga requirements, it's about time na i-release na ni bank yung housing loan proceeds. So you will receive an email from the bank saying na your loan has been successfully booked and then na-release na yung loan proceeds sa developer. Kasi guys, kahit na-approve yung loan nyo, for example, di ba naka-receive kayo doon ng message or text message at saka email sa bank na approve na yung loan nyo, yung loan approval will have an expiry of 6 months or 180 days. So mag-expire yung validity ng loan approval if hindi pa talaga complete lahat ng requirements. So need siya i-comply within 6 months para officially mabook yung loan. And then sa part ng developer, they will also contact you saying na okay na yung loan and then mag-wait na lang para sa turnover ng unit nyo. So i-contact na kayo ng property development officer ng developer or ng housing unit nyo confirming na okay na at pwede nang ma-turnover yung unit for inspection. So ayun lang guys, yun yung mga steps na based on our experience, yun yung naganap sa housing loan process namin with BPI or with the bank. So yung tips lang is, number 1, make sure na naka-tie up yung bank na pinili nyo sa developer kasi mas madali yung process, mas mabilis siya. And then make sure din na kumpleto kayo sa documents para mas mabilis din yung processing ng housing loan nyo. And lastly, pinaka-importante na na-realize ko din is dapat meron talaga kayong communication with the developer, so yung in-house coordinator, and then with the bank, yung loan officer ng bank. So dapat mag-build kayo ng relationship with the bank and the developer para mas madali. So communicate regularly para mas madali yung follow-ups at para din bilisan nila yung processing. So, ganun lang. So, if plano nyong mag-housing loan, you can follow these steps if gusto nyo yung financing through banks. So, that's it guys. If you have any other questions in relation to housing loan or paano mag-apply or meron pa ba kayong gusto i-clarify, please drop your comments in the comment section below and I would love to read and answer those. So, see you again in my next vlog. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you. Bye!